So I'm just putting down the steps. Step 1 is just writing the polynomial, keeping a as a with just the x-intercept. Step number 2 is taking this and substituting it in the equation. And step number 3, you will solve for a. So go ahead and solve for a. So I got my a to be negative 3 by 8. And then I put them together and write it as a polynomial. John, yeah. How I got the a?
How you got rid of it and moved it over to the
Okay, so yeah, all I did, see, remember this is your polynomial. You start off with this as your polynomial, where you don't know a. You know your zeros from where you write your factors, but you haven't yet solved for a. You don't know the leading coefficient. So you solve the leading coefficient by using this point. So you understood how we got the a, right? Yes or no? Yeah. So all I'm doing is, once I got the a, I'm putting it back in the polynomial and putting it together as a polynomial. So these are my x-intercepts.
No, but you see from where it says negative 6 equals a times 16 times 1, so negative 6 equals 16a. How do you lose?
Oh, all I did was to simplify. So I got a to be negative 6 over 16. And now all I did was to simplify that, because 6 and 16 are both factors of 2. That's all. Okay. That's all I did. Yeah. So it's nothing more complicated than that. Yeah. Does that make sense now? Yeah. Okay. Awesome. And then I write the polynomial. Now we all have enough information to plot. The only thing you have to do is find the y-intercept. Did everybody get negative 3 over 2 for y-intercept? Is it the same y-intercept as the previous problem? It is, yeah. So this is your y-intercept. I've not done the end behavior as yet. It's the 4th degree, right guys? It's the 4th degree. That means it's a quadratic, but it's a quadratic upside down because it's a negative coefficient. So my end behavior is going to be here and here. Is everybody okay with that? 4th degree. It's a 4th degree negative coefficient. I'm going to go ahead and write this. 4th degree negative coefficient, leading coefficient. That describes the end behavior. Everybody okay with that? Okay, now let's go ahead and graph it. Now that I have the end behavior, Sarah, are you good with the end behavior? So it's a fourth degree, right? Because P is, how do I know it's fourth degree? Because 2 plus 2 is 4.
I'm just trying to catch up on the wider subdivision.
Oh, okay, okay, okay. All right, okay. Yes. I'm sorry. Yeah. You want to go now? Oh yeah. So you want me to give you an office pass?